Hey guys, this is the new BOSCH coffee machine, and this machine we use Tassimo capsules. So today we will see that how to make Oreo shake using this coffee machine, and this is like really tasty. So here you can see that this is the Tassimo shake. So this capsule you have to shake, and you have to place this one first. So we are going to take out one. So, and in this machine, this is the water tank. So you have to put water here and then place it. So you can make 2 cups of coffee with this one water tank. And so now I'm going to show you that how to place this capsule. So now at first you have to shake, and then you need to place this one like this and just close. So this is the coffee cup, and you have to press 2 times. And the one main thing that I like about this machine is that it doesn't make that much sound. Previously I bought another coffee machine which uses Dolce Gusto, but that one makes lots of noise. So I think this one is much better. So this is the main capsule, and now we are going to use this one. So this is the Oreo, and this capsule, like, it's for the Oreo flavor. So we are going to take this one and going to take out. So just this one. Please, you don't need to shake this one. So just close it and double click. You see that this looks really amazing. So now this is finished, and we are good to go to have this coffee. Just take a look. This looks like really nice, and it tastes like really amazing.